Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix black screen on Stardew Valley. So first of all, if you are on Steam, you want to open it and then find Stardew Valley game, then go to properties. After that you're going to click betas, and then here on betas you want to go ahead. Here on betas should be a compatibility option. So it is not for me because it's not Stardew Valley, but basically you will see compatibility, then your game should receive an update and you should now be able to play Stardew Valley. Another thing to try out is go to install files and verify the integrity of the game files. And now, if that didn't fix the problem, then you want to go ahead and try to disable HDR on your PC. So you're going to go to settings. On settings, you're going to click system. That would be there. Now on system, you're going to choose display and you're going to choose the monitor you basically use, and you're going to choose HDR here, and you can go ahead and turn it off. So it would be for my other display, so we can go ahead and turn this off for a little while and see if the problem persists or not. Now another thing to try out is to exit the full screen into a windowed mode. So you can actually do this by clicking right there, and you will have this windowed mode now. You can go ahead and drag it to smaller size and see if the problem persists or not. After you've done that, you can go ahead and turn your HDR back on. Now, if that is not the problem, then you also want to make sure that your drivers are up to date. So for example, I use NVIDIA app. You want to open it up, or your AMD app, whichever drivers you are using. And you're going to install the drivers if there's any available. And you're going to find it here. Now, another issue could be your Discord. So you want to go ahead and turn off your Discord overlay. And you also, if you're using VPN, you want to go ahead and turn it off and see if the problem persists or not. And also firewall, you want to allow the app to go for it. So you're going to click right there, then change the settings, and then you're going to try to find Stardew Valley here. So it should be, here it is. You want to make sure that private and public are both selected, and then click OK. Now that should fix our problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.